I'm back with another video, so let's do it. This video is sponsored by SoGoodHair, and I'll be putting their social medias in the description box below. Even though this video is sponsored, I'm still gonna give my honest opinion. Like, I'm gonna be a buck about it. Like, I ain't finna lie. Like, I ain't even opened the hair yet. I mean, I'm getting paid. I'm getting free hair, but I'm not finna sit there and lie to y'all, because y'all sit here and order the hair, then it's some bad hair. Y'all looking at me crazy. So like, I ain't even finna do that right there. This is what it comes in. It comes in a FedEx box. This came in like 3 days. It came in 3 days, I believe. So I'm gonna open it. I'm so excited. I don't know if you can see. This is how the box looks. It has SoGoodHair on it, and it has SoGoodHair.com. Right. On the back, it has their hair and wig care information. I always use a wide tooth comb, detangling comb, so you can have unnecessary tension and pulling. Shampoo the hair. I always detangle it before wearing it. Wash your hair in a downward motion. Do not scrub or bunch hair together. I be doing that, but and they have their social medias on here, and I'll be putting in the description box down below. Okay, this is what comes in it. It comes with some, oh, this is some cute lashes. My best friend like lashes like these, y'all. They're real cute, but you know, I like these. I think, no, these ain't 25mm. My best friend like these lashes. I think I'm gonna let her wear them. Oh my god. Yeah, it came with a wig cap. And I've been needing a wig cap, y'all. It came in 2. I shouldn't even, like, I told my best friend to go get me some wig caps, because I'm putting this wig on later on today. And it'll be included in the video, so you will see. It come with 2. Can't beat that, baby. And it comes with this, this elastic band, so you can sew it on the back of your wig. And here it is. This is a fake scalp by wig, and it's 14 inches all around. This wig was very cheap. It's $116, and that's very cheap for a 14-inch bob wig. And oh, this is a bad hair day and stuff. You know, I just had to throw on a little wig, because I was gonna throw my button on y'all, but I ain't want to get too ghetto. I ain't want to get too comfortable yet. Oh, y'all, this wig, y'all, ain't no way, y'all. Y'all, this wig is already bleached, bro. Bleached nice. Are you kidding me? Inside, it comes with 3 combs. I'm gonna cut these out because I don't be needing them. Like, all I wear is lace fronts now, so I just throw on my wig, throw that wig off, put a different one on for a different day, baby. So I don't be needing it. Then it has these. If it's too big for you, you can move these together. But yes, it is already. And then it's an elastic band on the back. Yes, full security, baby, full security. And it's soft, y'all. I can't wait till my best friend flat iron it, because I'm installing the wig on myself, y'all. I'm just not learning, and God is so good, because y'all, I was paying for them $80, $90 lace front installs, and you keep having to go back every one week, every 2 weeks to go get it I had to learn that stuff myself. It initially comes in a middle part, but you can move it to your liking. I'm gonna do a middle part. It's real soft too, and it's cheap. Yeah, this is some good hair, and it comes with baby hairs. Yes, I'm really feeling it. Yes. Oh, this is cute. This is cute. And it doesn't have that smell, y'all. Y'all know how in that the other video, I think I deleted the video, y'all, but in the other video they had a smell, and I was just honest about it. Like, but this doesn't have a smell, and it already comes pre-bleached. It already comes pre-bleached, pre-plucked. $116 for a 14-inch lace front wig. Y'all. Yeah, and I think it's the 13 by... Wait. No, it's a 13 by 4. It's a 13 by 4, but still. $116 for this. Like, What? And I ain't just boasting. Because if I ain't feeling it, I ain't feeling it. But y'all, I'm going to go install this hair, and I'll be back. And I'm gonna tell y'all how I'm feeling when I install it. So I had to come back real quick, y'all. Inside the wig, y'all, it has its own little stocking cap thing. Like, I've never seen this on no other wig, y'all. It has the stocking cap thing in it. So like see, like, it has it in there, y'all. So you don't have to put a stocking cap on. What? Done. I'm done. I'm finna install this wig and we finna get into it, because ain't no way, because I've never seen this. Honest to God, I've never seen it. Like, a stocking cap right here, so you won't have to do all that stocking cap gluing down, the stocking cap and everything. Like, good day. Hey you guys, and right now, as you can see, I'm moosing the front of the hair so I can start plucking to customize my frontal how I like it. So yeah, just moving those hairs out the way, and now I'm plucking. I haven't pulled the baby hairs down yet, but I'm just plucking right now, you know, and that's how I customize it. So now I'm pulling the baby hairs forward, and I'm going to begin plucking behind the baby hairs, if that makes sense. If you guys want a video on this, then just let me know, and I'll do an in-depth beginner's tutorial on lace fronts, because this is literally my 3rd wig I've done, so I'm very new to this. But as you can tell, I'm plucking behind the hairline. I like to customize it, make it look very natural, like, oh, that's her real hair, because I have baby hairs. So like, I have a lot of baby hairs naturally, so I'm like never going to have a frontal with no baby hairs, because that's not how my hair is. But I'm on the other side now, and I'm going to do the exact same thing that I did. And now I'm just going to show you guys the foaming lotion. It's by Iso Plus, and it's really good because it's alcohol free. So if you need to lay your baby hairs down when your lace front is on, it won't lift up the glue and it won't lift up your lace. So I'm just doing the exact same thing I did on the other side, you know, plucking, moving the baby hairs to the front. And once I get done plucking to see how it really looks, I just brush it all the way back. Then if I don't like it, I just pluck again, and I plucked a lot because, I mean, that's how I like my hair. So. Hey you guys, and I'm back, and I'm in a different setting. I'm in my best friend's house, so yeah. The hair is on or whatever. It's a lace front, 150 density, and it's real cute. I plucked it to myself, as you seen in the last clip, so, you know, hey, it's real soft. It doesn't hold a curl, unfortunately, because my best friend tried to give it a little curl look, and it doesn't hold one. And I'm like really mad because I really wanted this wig to be like, you know, the little layer, you know, but it couldn't hold a curl. So plucked it to my liking, and it was already pre-plucked. It is pre-bleached. I didn't re-bleach it, and you know, yeah, I really like this, you guys. And it is very cheap. I already said that previously. It's very cheap, very affordable. $116 for a 14-inch lace front wig. Like, you're not gonna find that too many places. But I'm really liking the hair. I'm really liking how I got my baby hairs and whatever. I'm just like, don't roast me, but this side is always worse than this side. Look at this side. Oh, look at this side. I'm gonna get both of my sides right one day, but this is my 3rd time installing a lace front, so I'm really doing good for me just beginning. And you know, I got all my stuff from YouTube, so I'm gonna make a video. If you guys want me to make a video on how to install lace fronts for beginners, then just, you know, DM me, comment down below. And that's gonna be the end of this video. Make sure to go get this wig so we can be twins, and the link will be in the description box. The link will be in the description box below. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Follow my social medias because it will be somewhere on the screen so you can know about my everyday life. You know, I'll be posting every day on my other social medias. So, have a blessed day. Be blessed. Never stress. Period. Mwah.